everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be exploring a new word. It's called Dauntless. Do you know what Dauntless means? It's totally okay if you don't know what it means because we're going to be exploring this word today. Are you ready? Let's explore. What we will discover today, Dauntless. Join us on a thrilling adventure as we follow the brave little squire Theo on his quest to face a fearsome dragon. Discover the meaning of dauntless as Theo demonstrates unwavering courage in the face of danger. Our word, dauntless. Dauntless describes someone who is fearless and resolute, showing bravery even in the most challenging situations. In our story, it embodies Theo's unwavering determination to confront the dragon and protect his kingdom. To be dauntless means to face fears with unwavering courage and determination. It's about standing tall in the face of danger, refusing to be intimidated by obstacles or threats. Here's the illustration. Picture a small squire standing before a towering dragon, his heart pounding with fear, yet his spirit unyielding. That's the essence of dauntlessness, the courage to confront even the most formidable challenges with unwavering bravery. Let's take a deep dive with our story. Theo and the Dragon, a tale of dauntless valor. In the kingdom of Brightshire, a fearsome dragon terrorized the land, spreading fear and destruction wherever it flew. Determined to protect his home, young Squire Theo embarked on a daring quest to confront the dragon. Armed only with his wooden sword and a heart full of courage, Theo set out on his journey. Along the way, he was joined by his friends, a quick-witted archer named Talia, a gentle giant named Finn, and a wise healer named Luna. Together, they formed a band of dauntless adventurers, united their quest to save Brightshire. As they approached the dragon's lair, Theo's heart raced with fear, but his resolve remained unshaken. With his friends by his side, he bravely faced the dragon, standing firm against its fiery breath and menacing roars. In a climatic battle that tested their courage and strength, Theo and his friends fought valiantly against the dragon. With a final strike of his wooden sword, Theo defeated the dragon, driving it away and restoring peace to Brightside. That was a great story, right? Here's our conclusion. In this tale of dauntless valor, Theo and his friends demonstrate the power of courage in overcoming adversity. Their unwavering bravery serves as an inspiration to all, reminding us that even the smallest among us can achieve greatness through courage and determination. Here are a couple sentences we made using Dauntless. An adventure club. The members of the adventure club were dauntless as they tackled challenging hikes, always pushing each other to reach new heights and conquer fears. A spelling bee. Despite the pressure of the spelling bee, the contestant remained dauntless, spelling each word with confidence and determination. A leadership training. In leadership training, participants were encouraged to be dauntless in their decision-making, even in the face of uncertainty and adversity. Entrepreneurial workshop. As the entrepreneurial workshop, aspiring business owners showcased their dauntless spirit as they pitched their innovative ideas to potential investors. A survival camp. During survival camp, campers learned to be dauntless in the wilderness, mastering essential skills like fire building and navigation with courage and resilience. Thank you for watching. Mention any new word if you want to learn about it in the comment section. Subscribe for more. See you later. Bye bye.